Importance of balanced diet. All of us need food. Food is the basic need for all living organisms. All kinds of food we eat can be grouped into cereals and grains, vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, eggs, and pulses, milk and milk products. Nutrients in food. The various components of food help us differently on the basis of their functions. They are divided into 3 groups. Energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. These are energy-giving food. People who do a lot of physical work need more carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, maize, potato are examples of carbohydrates-rich food. Carbohydrates can be digested easily than fats and proteins. Fats. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Fats also keep our body warm. They are difficult to digest. Oil, nuts, butter, and ghee are examples of fat-rich food. Eating lots of fat-rich food is harmful. It leads to obesity. Proteins. Proteins are called bodybuilding food as they help us to grow. Eggs, fish, meat, milk, peas, and pulses are rich in proteins. Children and bodybuilders need more protein-rich food. Vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy and fit as they protect us from various diseases. Fruits, vegetables, and milk are rich in vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, B, C, and D are some vitamins. Papaya, carrot, and leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin A. Milk and butter are rich in vitamin D. Calcium, sodium, iodine, potassium, and iron are examples of minerals. Calcium makes our bones strong. Iron helps in the formation of blood. Water and roughage. Water is essential for our body to stay healthy and work properly. Water also helps in digestion. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Roughage. It is the fiber present in our food. It cannot be digested, but it helps to remove the undigested food from our body. Whole grains, brown rice, salads, fruits, and vegetables are rich in fibers. Thank you. A presentation by Naseem D.S.